Hi all, welcome to Stock Talks. Today we'll see how Nifty and Bank Nifty can behave on Monday on May 26th. As we can see, Nifty has stopped on 24,853 around. So the trend, how we can see on Nifty, it's basically showing bullish. So if we see a trend line, so we can see easily that it is on above the trend line, and on the daily basis, so we can see the support and resistance we can draw. You can ask me where the first support we can expect on the Nifty. So what I can say is the first level of the support on the Nifty is around 24,420. So on the daily basis, I hope this won't break easily on the daily basis on Monday. So as we are seeing, it's bullish. So this can act a major support in case like if any threat kind of COVID or something, if it increases or any actions from the government on it, so then we can expect more fall. So then we can see the next support, the major support is 23,925. I hope this will not reach these levels. And again, where we can see the rejection if it goes up. So where is the first rejection we can see on the daily basis? We can see the first rejection is around 25,000 level. So where we can see the major rejection. So if it breaks, so then where we can see the Nifty going towards. So we can see around 25,700 levels. So the next stop is around on the daily basis. So when we are doing intraday, so for intraday traders, so what we can see, so on the 15 minutes zone, we can see here. So I'll just convert it to 15 minutes. So where is the first level of support for Nifty? So the first level where I can see is the support is 24,771, and if it breaks, so the second support is around 24,710. If in case if it breaks even the two on the intraday, so where we can see the next support, the next support is at 24,638. So these are the major levels which we can see on the support side on Monday. So where we can see the rejection level on Monday. So if it can be rejected, so I can see clearly it's on 24,915, the first level. So where we can see the rejection, and the second level is where we can see the second level of rejection is around 25,008. If it crosses 25,008, where we can see the next resistance is around 25,086. So this validates at least for, I would say, next week. So this can be hold till next week. This levels. So you can keep it as this levels as good for at least for next 2 weeks, I would say. So this won't break so easily. So you can keep it as these levels, and then so we can see the Nifty Bank. So how we can see the Nifty Bank? So Nifty Bank, what we can see is it's basically almost consolidating at the all-time high. So what we can see, if I can just mark it there. So what we can see is here. So which is the majorly it's consolidating on this zone, and so how we can see it's extremely bullish, I would say. The Bank Nifty is extremely bullish, and then if I have to take out, I'll just take out this. So where we can see the so the major support, for example, for for Bank Nifty is around 53,390 50. Yeah, it's 54,000, sorry, 54,466, the major level. And then, so then if it breaks, then we can see the major level support is 53,536. So you can ask me, okay, where the resistance? So the only I can see the resistance is it's only here. So majorly the people who are sitting like big players who are sorted at 56,000. So but I would say this is not a major, so it can blast by next week. So you can expect a big move upside from in the bank Nifty. So all time high it can break easily. So on the intraday level, on the 15 minutes, so we can see where we have support and where we have the resistance. So majorly, so what I can see, the support for on the 15-minute side on the Bank Nifty is holds good at 55,215. Then, so if it breaks, so where you can see the next major level is 54,953 on the intraday level. So and you can see the resistance, like where we can see the where we can see the rejection. So from here, so this is majorly on the 15-minute zone, it's 55,614. And next what we can see is next after this, it's mostly tested zone. So it's next is 56,122. So we can keep it's next week. It's good what we can see in the index, so or in the derivative level. We can see it's good to have uh, Bank Nifty on our side. So as we can see, the monthly expiry also is also tomorrow. So it's good to trade on to take calls on Bank Nifty. Hope this will give you a clear picture from my side. So how the levels are on Nifty and Bank Nifty. So please do subscribe and support our channel. And also you can join our Telegram channel through a link provided in the description. Hope we will see again tomorrow with some stocks updates. So which stocks to be we can see for the next upcoming weeks. Thank you for watching and keep supporting us, and keep please post your comments. So what you like and what you want to see, or what you want to have analysis on the other rest of like on the stocks. I'm ready to give some analysis from my side. If you want to see some analysis on the stocks, which stocks you wanted to see. We'll see again tomorrow. Thank you, and please do support our channel.